Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram.
Sitaram. Ramayana via paintings. Today's painting is 19. Now the narration. Vishwamitra walked in front, followed by Rama and Lakshmana, with the bows in their hands and swords at their waists and quivers fastened to their shoulders. It was a beautiful sight to see. Soon they reached the banks of the river Sarayu, and Vishwamitra wanted to teach the mantras Bala and Atibala to Rama. And these are the ones which will not bother them with hunger or fatigue. After Rama learnt these mantras, he felt more powerful than before. They paid their respects to the sage. They spread dried grass and slept on the banks of the river that night. When night dawned, Vishwamitra approached them and woke up Rama with these wordings. Kausalya's beloved child Rama, the first Sandhya is approaching. Wake up from your sleep and perform the morning ablutions. This mantra all of us are familiar with, none other than Kausalya Supraja Rama. They crossed some ashrams on their way and finally reached a dark forest. The sage entertained them with stories on their way about the spots they have to visit. Sitaram.